In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Klaviyo. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account. On the main dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your organization name there. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you manage all of the account-level configuration, including who has access to your workspace. Once you're in Settings, look for the Users option. It's usually listed under the Account section. Go ahead and click on the Users tab. This page shows everyone who currently has access to your Klaviyo account, along with their roles and statuses. It's a good place to quickly review who's in your account and what they can do. To add someone new, look for the Add New User button, typically near the top right of the user's page, and click it. This opens a form where you'll enter the details for the person you want to invite. Start by adding the user's email address. Make sure this is the address they actively use for work, since their invitation and login details will be sent there. Next, select their preferred language from the drop-down menu. This helps ensure that system emails and parts of the interface appear in a language that's comfortable for them. Now it's time to assign a role. This is important because the role determines exactly what that person will be able to see and do inside Klaviyo. From the Klaviyo User Role drop-down, choose the right level of access. If you pick Admin, that user will have almost full control over the account, with access to all key areas except fully closing the account. Manager is slightly more limited, but still powerful, giving access to core features like campaigns, flows, and lists, with some restrictions on exporting data. Analyst is a read-only role, ideal for people who just need to view reports, metrics, and performance without changing anything. Campaign Coordinator is designed for users who need to build, schedule, and send campaigns, but might not need broader account access. Content Creator is best for team members focused on designing and editing templates, without the ability to actually send campaigns. Finally, Support gives very limited access, mainly for handling SMS conversations and viewing customer profiles, which is useful for support teams. Once you're confident the email, language, and role are all correct, click Add User to send the invitation. Klaviyo will email the person a secure link to set up their credentials and join your account. Remind them to act quickly because that invitation link expires after 12 hours. If it does expire, you can simply repeat this process and send a fresh invite.